Here with me, I have Curt, who is the Chief Technology Officer of Group Health Cooperative of Eau Claire. I'm thrilled to have you join us. Can you start off by telling us a little about you?
My background is delivery and empowering teams. The methods that I've used in the past heavily are reliant on Scrum to bring value and allowing those team members to solve complex problems using new tools and new methods to get the incremental wins and get the momentum and get the team evolving.
So, what are you speaking about at Scrum Day this year?
It'll be storytelling time. We'll be talking about complex environments by business type, whether it's healthcare, finance, that are regulated spaces and other spaces such as retail and manufacturing, and not taking the massive leaps that are risky and focusing on small incremental improvements that people can evaluate and inspect right along the way. We're going to be talking about reducing tech debt, which is important to freeing each of us up to work on things that are moving the needle forward, not pulling the weight from the back. All of these conversations that we'll have, the stories will be talking about the incremental progress that were made along the way. And that's really how you get the true predictability.
That really lines up with our theme for this year, which is small steps to big value. What does that mean to you?
Teaching the teams that I work with to move the needle in small and consistent improvements versus the big leap, and then dealing with integration with partners, for instance, or reducing tech debt, navigating regulatory shifts. All of those, when done incrementally, produce that ability for other team members, for your stakeholders to inspect the work you've done and pivot quicker, pivot early, and remove that potential for down the road, finding out that you've developed and delivered the wrong thing.
So, what are people going to get from your speech at Scrum Day Madison this year?
We're going to be talking about stories of both as a VP and a CTO of delivery and technology. We'll also be talking playbook type things too, of how to communicate and how to show the value, not only to the customer, but showing value internally too, and getting that momentum, how to gain that trust, how to create that safe space for people to want to be involved with Scrum. And then we're going to be talking about maturing the teams that we serve and work with. And on the side, we'll talk about some entrepreneurial projects that I'm working on and how I deliver those in a very Scrum-oriented fashion. It'll be quite fun.
I'm thrilled to have you joining us this year. Scrum Day is scheduled for October 16th, 2025 at the Madison Marriott West. Get your tickets at www.scrumday.org. So looking forward to you joining us.
Thank you so much too. And I'm excited to hear from the community and exchange ideas and help folks lean into their next step.
We'll see you in just a couple of weeks.
Yeah. See you at Scrum Day. Thank you.